What is up, YouTube? This is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. If you guys aren't a subscriber already, make sure you smash that subscribe button down below and give me a big thumbs up on this video. Today, I am out at the TOLA Expo in Dallas, Texas, and they got a super cool setup for me here. The LSP9 and 7Ts from Samsung, and they're broadcasting onto projector screens, ultra short throw, ALR, ambient light rejecting screens, and they got salamander equipment racks. They're furniture specifically designed to house these ultra short throw projectors. So I just thought it was a really unique situation that you're never going to see typically. This convention, they set this up because it's unique. So I'm gonna show you guys a demo, and I'm also gonna make a separate video with the Samsung rep, Ryan, showing you the differences between the two, so that if you're contemplating the differences, you know, this video will help you in making that decision. And if you still don't know, if you're on the fence, call and talk with our sales reps. We would love the opportunity to earn your business. All right, guys, let's get into this demo. All right, guys, I'm here at the TOLA Expo 2021, and I got this LSP9t right here, ultra short throw projector broadcasting onto a Stewart ultra short throw screen ALR, and we carry both Screen Innovations and Stewart. Really solid products, guys. Again, we believe in all the products that we sell, top industry leading manufacturers. Let's check this demo out. All right, guys, look at this bad boy. This is 120 inches on a projector. I mean, just to give you a comparable here, guys, that right there is the wall from Samsung. That's a $400,000 TV. $400,000. And you guys know the price tag on these ultra short throws are literally pennies on the dollar. So great value. 120 inch, looking really solid. Again, you're getting TV-like picture at a very reasonable price point, and it looks clean in the salamander cabinet. In another video I made, you could see the other salamander rack. You could see two different visual appearances, but they look really nice. High quality AV furniture. It's going to allow everything to ventilate as well as look really nice so that you guys can get that wife approval. Because in order to put a 120-inch screen in your living room, it's going to need to look good. And this does. It looks very nice. Now, one thing that the Samsung rep did point out is that the 9T versus the 7T, look at the difference of how close you can put it on the wall. So we got a much bigger screen, and we're actually closer to the wall. So if you're kind of on the fence there as to which one to do, that may be a determining factor. And of course, just so you guys know, you go with a smaller screen, it's going to go even closer to the wall. But look at this. It's pretty solid. TV-like imaging, guys, at a very reasonable price point. It's kind of what projection's all about, you know? Even in our dedicated theater rooms, like your $400,000 TV over there just isn't attainable for most people. All right, well, that is a wrap on my demo of the Samsung 9T. We got the Stewart ultra short throw ALR screen up here behind me, 120 inch, and then that salamander cabinet. Again, we sell all of these things, guys, with nationwide free shipping, and we have a free consultation service. We would love the opportunity to earn your business and find something that fits your exact needs and budget. Reach out today. That's all I got for you. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up and smash that subscribe button down below. Till next time, this is Zach with Dreamedia Home Theater. Thank you for watching.